Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix network error in CapCut on PC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you solve this problem here in CapCut PC? Well, in this case, we all know that if we don't have a proper interconnection here, we won't be able to actually access different effects, transitions within CapCut, because you need interconnection for you to start editing within the app itself. Now, then again, how do we actually solve this issue here? So, to solve the issue, what I would recommend you here is to basically see if you're using any VPN. Now, in this case, if you are using any VPN here, try turning that off or removing it from your PC. Sometimes VPN could actually interfere with your interconnection, in turn actually make it a lot slower, which would actually affect your CapCut app here, which again, it will interfere with your interconnection and you will get this issue here. So turn that off and see, or basically restart CapCut and see if that solves the issue. Now, if in this case, if you're not using VPN, try using one. Sometimes, again, a VPN can help or not help you in this situation here. In this case, try using VPN, and if that actually solves the issue, great. But again, if that doesn't solve the issue, there are a few things that you can still do here to probably solve this issue. So in this case, one of them is to make sure that you have a pretty stable interconnection. Like for example, if you're having some problems with your interconnection, then most likely that is the cause of that issue. In this case, just go to any browser here, just type in speed test. Now if your interconnection is pretty slow, then that might be actually the cause of this issue here. So mine is actually pretty decent here, so make sure that both download and upload is actually quite fast. Now, other thing you can do here is to basically change a few network settings on your PC. So in this case, go and change your DNS. So to do that, go and click on search at the bottom left, click on control panel, and you want to open up the network and internet option here. You want to go to network and sharing center, click on your access type here. So if you're using Wi-Fi or internet, go and click on it, click on properties, and from here, look for Inter Protocol version 4 or IPv4, and click on properties. Now, it's going to be set to obtain DNS server address automatically, so choose the option that says use the following DNS server address. Now, use 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on OK, click on close, and click on close. And once you've done that, go ahead and restart CapCut and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.